Listen, that rapid-fire tapping is a biological marvel. How does a woodpecker hit a tree 20 times a second without a concussion? The secret? A built-in seatbelt. Its tongue actually wraps around its brain, acting like a shock absorber. It's like having a natural helmet tucked inside your skull. They aren't just hungry, they're architects. The holes they drill provide essential housing for owls, bluebirds, and squirrels across the forest. Want to see these curious builders in your own backyard? Hit that follow button for more nature secrets and tips on how to attract them.